I just wanted to show you just kind of what the standard thing looks like, just as a reminder, and then see if that's kind of what you're thinking, or if we wanted to do, just something you can think about. This is just the Reminders app. This is on iPhone 11, iOS 14. So in the Reminders app, you start out, you're just on a regular page. In this case, when you navigate into today, the title here becomes here, and then you have this little back arrow to go to your previous thing. The previous thing in this case is just this page, but that would normally be our main page. This title today has to be on the left. You can't have it be in the middle without making everything custom, the whole bar and the navigation and stuff. Here's another one on the all page, kind of the same thing. All is here, the list goes back, and you can do fonts and colors on these things. In this case, well, I'll show you this on the other one, but there's a little button on the right side here. Now let me show you. I just put together just a really quick test thing just to show you. So with the tab bar at the bottom, we've got 1, 2, and 3. So sample 1, sample 2. See these. Now when you're switching between tabs, it's just switching between tabs. There is no navigation. Sample 3. And so we got page 3 here, and when you go to the next page, this can either sort of stay large like this, where this bar is the same size on the top, or it can go like this, where you get this compact form where your new page is titled here, prior page is here, and you have a spot for a little item here if you want to make a clickable thing or something there that's a button. You can't replace this back button. In this case, you do get centered, but in this case, it's always on the left. So if you did the large title, the prior page is here. In this case, your optional button you can create is over here. If you wanted to make a second one, like on the left side or something, it'll show up here, like next to this, not down here, and you can't put anything down here. And you can change fonts and colors, and I think you can maybe do transparency or something too. But that's kind of what you get pretty much for free. If you use just this sort of setup, as well as with some of those sheets. So if you go back to this Reminders app, they've got, if you hit new reminder, no, this is not a good example, sorry. If you do, what can I do? This thing? No, that's not it. I don't remember where it was. One of these tabs has a thing if you click on it. There we go. This is your standard modal sheet. And I think we're already using that somewhere, but those are the sort of things that are easy, and by easy I mean like very, very significantly easier than just those small customizations. Like in your coming back to this this sample one here, making this something other than this size or this size in terms of the size of the bar, the blue bar. Making it a different height, that's full customized, do everything over manually. If you want one of these two heights, then it's easy. Sorry, that animation doesn't always work right on the simulator. But yeah, so that's it. I'll hopefully that gives you a little bit to think about, and I will talk to you later.